Hello YouTube community. Today I'm gonna eat Takis corn. I'm gonna make some, I'm gonna eat Takis corn. I made it, I never done it before. This is my first time. I just put butter on the corn. It's boiled. You put butter and a little bit of mayonnaise. And then you crush the Takis chips, whatever kind you want. And you pour the dust. You blend them. You blend the Takis. So I have some right here. Some Takis and some corn with Takis, mayo, and butter. Takis dust. I'm not sure what these are called, but I'm gonna call them Takis corn. Takis corn. Corn Takis. I don't know, but I've seen it on videos online and I saw the recipe, so I have to try it now. So here comes my first bite, you guys. I'm a little nervous. I'm gonna rate this too. I did it from scratch, so look how it looks. It looks beautiful, doesn't it? So let's pray that it's good, you guys. I'm nervous. What if it's not good? Well, here comes the first bite anyways. I guess I'll start here. Very. I don't know yet. I can't tell how good it is. I have had the flaming hot ones, hot Cheeto ones, dust or whatever. But this time it's Takis. I never had it with Takis before. I can't tell yet. I can't give you a rate yet. I can't rate this yet. Let me try again. Look at that big bite. The corn is hot. Ooh! This is spicy. Man, but it's good though. Let me give it one more bite. And then I'll decide if it's any good. It is good. Yes, it's good. But to be honest, I prefer hot Cheetos. I prefer the hot Cheetos with the corn because it tastes way better and less spicy and less sour. This one just tastes more spicy. If you like it spicy, try it with Takis instead. I like the hot Cheeto more. I like hot Cheetos more, period. But this one, I'm gonna rate this 8 out of 10. So yeah, that's my rating. For the hot Cheeto one, is a 10 out of 10. But for this Taki one, it's 8 out of 10. It's good. It's good. Let me eat a Taki now. Put this. Ah! I'm making a mess. Oh, I'm nasty. Anyway, I took a bite out of a Taki. Another one. Take a bite. It's good. It is good. It's pretty good. This is pretty good. It's good. I liked it. It's an 8. A decent 8 out of 10. That's what I rate this, my review. My honest opinion is an 8. Period. I prefer hot Cheetos though. Sorry, Taki people. I'm sorry. I'm still gonna eat it. Ooh, it's hot. It is good. It's good. It's not bad. It's an 8. That's a good rating number. Not perfect, but hey. spicy. Ah, my mouth is burning with this. Why is it taking forever to finish this? I'm already in 6 minutes almost. It's about to be 6 minutes into the video. I don't know why. I'm almost done though. I hope I don't get a stomach ache. I'm almost done, you guys. I don't eat perfectly. I do not eat like a perfect person does. It's all messy. Okay. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Give this video a big thumbs up. Look at this, it's gone, basically. So give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. And your dude right here is gonna go make another one probably out of Cheetos. What is this hot? Sour. Limey. Too much lime. Ah, look at that. Messy. I need to make me one more, so I can get full. Okay, guys. I appreciate you all so much. Thank you for watching this short. It's not that short, but it's 7 minutes, almost 8 minutes long. We'll try to make more videos that are longer. So just leave a comment and a like and subscribe if you haven't. And thank you so much for the love and support you guys give me. All the love and support that you guys give me is awesome. Write a comment, tell me if you like eating this with this, if you ever had it before. Takis corn. Takis with corn. So let me know in the comments, okay? Bye-bye. I gotta go now. Bye-bye.